Happy 2024. Here are 5 things you can do to make your kitchen healthier this year. Instead of nonstick cookware that can be coated with harmful chemicals, choose a cast iron skillet or stainless steel. These are naturally going to be toxin-free and much better for your health. Not to mention they make a great sear on your meat. Add a green plant to your kitchen to clean the air and detoxify. Instead of burning a candle, think about doing a simmer pot with dried fruit, some fresh evergreens, and lemon slices. It smells so good. If you're still using plastic cutting boards, get a wooden cutting board. This will cut down your exposure to plastic and BPAs that might be in cutting boards. Not to mention, they're so much prettier. And lastly, switch from plastic water bottles to stainless steel. There's so many different brands now, and my kids love decorating theirs with different stickers.